If you're looking for a high-performance, durable, and portable radio that's perfectly suited for job sites, workshops, or even your garage, the DEWALT 12V by 20V Max Portable Bluetooth Radio, DCR028B, is a top contender. Known for their sturdy tools, DEWALT has brought the same quality to this rugged radio, combining high-fidelity audio with an ultra-tough design. In this detailed review, we'll break down the key features, performance, and whether this Bluetooth radio lives up to the high standards DEWALT is known for. The DEWALT 12V by 20V Max Portable Bluetooth Radio stands out with a modern, sleek black design while maintaining the ruggedness you would expect from a job site radio. Measuring 15.3 inches in length, 7.7 inches in width, and 10.5 inches in height, it is compact enough to be easily portable, but substantial enough to deliver powerful sound. Weighing in at a manageable size, this radio is designed to withstand tough worksite environments, thanks to its heavy-duty roll cage that protects both the device and the antenna from falls and impacts. The radio operates on both corded electric power via a detachable 120V AC power cord, and it can also run off DEWALT 12V or 20V Max batteries. However, one minor drawback noted by some users is that the radio doesn't charge the batteries. That being said, the flexibility of using either power option gives you convenience, especially in areas without access to a power outlet. A key selling point of this Bluetooth radio is its dual 3.5-inch woofers and 1-inch tweeters, which deliver stereo-quality sound. The woofers focus on delivering deep, rich bass, while the tweeters handle the high frequencies, ensuring balanced sound whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or news on the radio. The bass reflex port enhances the low-end frequencies, making the sound fuller and more dynamic, especially in open spaces or noisy environments. This is a big plus for those who want to drown out background noise on a busy job site. In terms of sound quality, the DEWALT DCR028B does not disappoint. Whether it's crisp highs, mid-range vocals, or powerful bass, this radio offers a well-rounded audio experience. Even at higher volumes, the sound remains clear without distortion, a feature that is crucial for outdoor or noisy work environments. Another standout feature is its Bluetooth connectivity. The DEWALT radio supports wireless streaming from your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices from a distance of up to 100 feet. This impressive range gives you the freedom to move around your worksite or home without worrying about losing your connection. Pairing your device is seamless, and once connected, the Bluetooth signal remains strong and stable. This makes it easy to stream your favorite playlists, podcasts, or even audiobooks without having to fiddle with wires or docking stations. For those who prefer a wired connection, the radio also includes a 3.5mm auxiliary port for connecting external devices directly. In addition to its modern Bluetooth capabilities, this DEWALT radio retains traditional AM by FM radio functionality. It features 6 programmable presets, so you can quickly tune in to your favorite stations with just the press of a button. Whether you're listening to music, talk shows, or staying updated on local news, this feature adds to the radio's versatility. The digital tuner is easy to navigate, and the LCD display is clear and simple to read, even in dimly lit areas or at a quick glance while working. Durability is one of the key selling points for DEWALT products, and the DCR028B portable Bluetooth radio is no exception. The heavy-duty roll cage not only gives the radio a robust look, but also ensures it can withstand drops and impacts that are all too common in worksite conditions. The antenna is housed within the roll cage, providing extra protection from accidental damage. This radio is built to last in harsh environments, whether it's exposed to dust, dirt, or even light rain. Its tough construction means you won't have to worry about babying it during everyday use on the job site or during home improvement projects. One of the most convenient features of the DEWALT DCR028B is its dual power capability. It can be powered using a 120V AC power cord for stationary use in a garage, workshop, or home. But when you're on the go or working in an area without access to power, it can also run on DEWALT's 12V or 20V Max batteries. This level of versatility ensures that you won't have to sacrifice music or radio access just because you don't have an outlet nearby. However, one limitation to note is that the radio does not charge DEWALT batteries when plugged in, which might be a slight downside if you're expecting it to serve as a charging station for your cordless tools. Nonetheless, it's still a handy feature to swap out batteries, especially if you're already invested in the DEWALT ecosystem. The USB charging port is another convenient feature that adds extra value to this radio. Whether your smartphone is running low on battery or you need to charge another small device, the USB port lets you power your gadgets while streaming music. It's a practical addition, especially for job sites where outlets may be in short supply. Customer reviews for the DEWALT DCR028B highlight its rugged build quality and excellent sound performance. One user mentioned that they bought the radio for their husband's garage, and they loved both the sound quality and durability. The user also mentioned that while they hadn't used it on battery power yet, it seemed perfectly portable for that option. Another user praised the radio's array of features, particularly its dual power capability with AC and battery options. However, they expressed a desire for the radio to be able to charge batteries, which would add another layer of convenience. The DEWALT 12V by 20V Max Portable Bluetooth Radio, DCR028B, is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a tough, high-performance radio for job sites, workshops, or even home use. Its combination of rugged durability, versatile power options, and excellent sound quality makes it a great investment, particularly for those already using DEWALT tools. While the lack of battery charging might be a downside for some, the overall feature set more than makes up for it. If you're someone who needs a durable radio with excellent sound quality and Bluetooth streaming capability, this DEWALT radio could be the perfect addition to your workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of tools and gadgets.